Hi, my name is Sihle Xaba from Durban Beach Rescue Season 2. My top tips for safety on the beach for the season would be don't drink alcohol and go swimming. A reason for that is you are not in your right state of mind and you can easily lose balance, and especially when the wave starts hitting you around, it's very difficult for you to get back up on your feet. Number 2, don't go swimming fully clothed because you are adding more weight onto your body and it's very exhausting, especially with the currents. It's not easy to swim when you got clothing on. Number 3, always go and swim between the 2 red and yellow flag beacons. Those are the safest area where the lifeguards have put their bathing areas. You can swim there very, very safely, and also it's been watched by lifeguards at all times. Number 4, always consult with the lifeguards when you arrive on the beach, because they will give you an accurate information on the tides, what the tides are doing. The importance of knowing the tides is so that you will know exactly, if you're a swimmer, you will know where exactly is the safest area you could swim. Number 5, always go to the lifeguard and find out if there are blue bottles. Blue bottles are the creatures that live in the ocean. They are small looking creatures, they're transparent, and they have a bubble and a very long string. It's a tentacle that stings really, really painfully. And if you ever get stung by a blue bottle, it's best to immediately go to a lifeguard, or if you are allergic to sting, it's best that you call an ambulance ASAP, because that could cause an anaphylactic shock and it could cause difficulty breathing as well. But best is to go and go to the lifeguards for treatment. Those are your tips for the holiday season. So get out there, have fun, keep hydrated and swim safe.